use this content if you want to create impossible to ignore content ideas, and then from there be a content machine basically. All right. So I'm going to share with you this full prompt. So if you want this full prompt, just comment below and I'll send it over to you. It's 100% free, no upsells, nothing. But first, I want to give you an idea of what this does. Okay. And by the way, I've also added this prompt into my content master prompt. So I have a lot of different prompts that I use on a daily basis for my stuff, and this is just one of them. Okay, so the very first thing they want to do is want to create something that is impossible to ignore, and we are going to do the same basic thing: act as an direct, response copywriter, etc. But the most important part here is actually going to be your information. So the target avatar, who are you going to talk to? You want to remove this and you add what you want to do. The avatar psychology, right? Like what there's deepest insecurities and greatest fears. So you could go ahead and you remove that information. And by the way, if you don't have the information, you can just add the avatar right here. So for example, coaches, and then the Gemini or AI is going to fill this up for you. The old way, this is something that you kind of want to do, but if you don't know what the old way is, but it should, you can just add a new idea, and then AI is going to fill this one for you. Now, the offer is what you want them to do afterwards, so it can be, you know, it can be an audit, it can be whatever it is, right? It can be a custom built AI funnel training platform, whatever it is, right? So this is the only thing you want to do. And then from there, he's going to go ahead and add these four categories and give you 20 pieces of content. So let's go ahead and test it out. Now, how do I recommend testing this out? I never change the main prompt. I simply copy it and then add it somewhere else. In this case, I'm going to, copy and paste. And for the avatar, I actually have like a full avatar already built. I have two avatars. I have avatar for coaches and avatar for funnel builders. So I have the full avatar description of funnel builders right here that I used with my, avatar prompt that I have access to. I gave access to that one for everyone that signed up to AI Funnel Accelerator. If you don't have that one, you can either buy the accelerator for 99 or you can join my academy for 99 a month. And then I want to paste it right there, and it's going to give all that information. And then right here, I just need to know what's the avatar psychology. So right here, I already have that in the prompt, but I want to give like a more specific one. So right here, let's say for example AI. Okay, so fear of AI replacing their jobs. The old way, let's say it's drag and drop funnel building. Okay, the new way is AI leveraged systems builder. Okay, which by the way, this is what we are doing inside AI Funnelpreneur. If you know what AI Funnelpreneur is the platform that my wife and I we are building to teach funnel builders on how to build AI systems, not just vibe coding, but more than that. And we basically give you everything that we know, and we create specific step-by-step process that you can follow so that you can go ahead and get your first certification and all that stuff. Okay, we have quizzes so that you know that you are on the right path, and we also have certification processes where we give you all the instructions that you need to do if you want to win the normal one or if you want to win the honor version. Anyway, this is not about it. This is about the prompt. So we're going to go back here and I leverage systems builder, and the offer is, for example, 7-step process or a 7-step framework or blueprint to vibe code um, scalable systems for your clients. Okay. Now we have what we need. We just need to copy and go to Gemini or whatever you use and paste everything here. I use Gemini Ultra, but you can this works with any specific one or any Cloud Code, or this also works with ChatGPT and DeepSeek and stuff like that. You just let it run, and then I'm gonna pause it so it's not too long of a video, but I'm gonna pause it, come back when it's ready. Okay, so now he's filling it out. I'm gonna make it bigger so you guys can see. So now you have the idea. So drag and drop didn't make you an expert; it made you a commodity. The future of the industry belongs entirely to AI leverage system builders, etc. So this is very good. I could go ahead, grab this, and create a piece of content around it. While other freelancers are paralyzed by the fear of AI stealing their jobs, the smart ones are using it. They are evolving into system architects who build automatic clients machines and charge triple the fees. So this does give you a lot of different content that you can simply grab and create around that. So duct taping, gut wrenching, anxiety, you can change this feast and famine. You can change this to your own language, but this is how you can start. And just run this prompt over and over and over with different fears, with different goals, and you are good to go with the content, right? If you want this prompt, comment below and I'll send it over 100% free, nothing, no upsell, whatever. If you want to try, if you want to join the AI accelerator, send me a message, and I'll send you more information.